All right, everyone. So for today's Monday meal, we are doing Death by Garlic from the allrecipes.com dinner spinner app. Now, I have already cooked up 2 boxes of rice noodles, and they are draining there in the sink. These kind right here, gluten-free. Thai Kitchen stir-fry rice noodles. And then I have made the sauce, which is so easy. And according to the reviews, you can just put anything you want in this. Just use the base of the garlic, is what I did. And then I just added the other stuff I wanted to add, and I didn't really follow the recipe after that. So, in order to do the sauce, I doubled this recipe, by the way, because I doubled the amount of pasta. It's like a pound of pasta, and I did two. So, I did 2 cans of chicken. I did a cup of olive oil instead of half a cup. I did a couple of tablespoons of organic cocoa aminos or soy sauce. If you are allergic to soy, this is a good alternative. I did this minced garlic. So it calls for 10 cloves of garlic. So according to this, half a teaspoon equals 1 clove. So I did 5 for the original recipe, but then doubled it. So 10 teaspoons of garlic. Then you do salt, but I didn't do salt. It was supposed to be like a half a teaspoon, but if you double it, it would be a teaspoon. I didn't do that because I used coconut aminos. Then 1/3 of a cup of cheese, so 2/3 a cup. So there you have it. That's what's in the sauce. I also added some broccoli and some chopped green onion. So that's what we got in our sauce. And then I'm going to put the pasta in it, mix it all together, and I've already tested it, and it tastes really good. So I recommend it if you like garlic. Okay, stirred up the best I can with 2 pounds of pasta in there. Need a new pasta pot. All right, so there it is, Death by Garlic, with some additions that I chose, and you could choose whatever you want to add too. It's just so easy. All right, guys, happy Monday.